Well, it's been a long time coming, and we were finally able to get the bikes out of hibernation. Today we're doing a bit of bike maintenance, oil change, changing the rear brake fluid on my V-Strom because when I bought it, it was low and pretty watery. So it hadn't been done in a while. Checking the tire pressure, bearings, just all the basic stuff to make sure we're safe on the road.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
This one, yeah. No metal shavings either. 70,000 kilometers?
Yeah,
That's not bad.
not bad.
Yours is a bit darker.
Feels great to be working on the bikes again. Due to COVID-19, we haven't been able to go on any riding trips yet, but we've been continuing to work on projects around the house. The long winter months are finally over, and the seeds we planted for our garden a few weeks ago are starting to come out. We've been setting daily goals, and we've been working out in our basement gym every day, trying to get into shape again. The past few weeks we've been keeping busy gathering up the garbage from the property that we bought to clean it up and doing a lot of yard work. Sebastian's playing tug of war with the trees. Trying to get rid of all the vines that are entangling all of our trees. You can see how even when they first start off, they just wrap around it. Coil around each branch. Eventually, become this big monster.
We're making little bundles. We figured we're either going to make just one big outside fire and kind of waste all this fuel that we can have for free, or make little bundles like that and throw it in the wood stove, kind of like kindling basically to start the fire.
Plus we have a outside open fire bin right now, so the bush piles are taking over our property as we clean it.
Yep, so we'll burn it inside, which is still legal. And we're tying it with the vines that we just ripped out of the trees yesterday.
It's pretty hefty.
So that should work out good.
Shove it in there. Oh no, maybe we made it too fat. Oh, that's burning good now. Burning optimal. Putting out lots of heat. Free. From our ugly brush pile outside.
Pesky vines, yeah.
Pesky vines. We worked up a big appetite for dinner, and we get to have apple pie for dessert that we made this morning.